Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to turn off Instagram Active Now, or how you can turn off the Instagram Active Now. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application first. So once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account, and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. And from there, go to the three lines icon on the top right. And in here, if you scroll down,
Che sabe na pezinho para meus almoços, tudo ainda que ali uma peça de ainda para vai tudo.
if you can't find the option in here, you can search for show active status. Here you can just, here it says that allows account you follow and anyone you message to see when you are last active or are currently active on Instagram apps. When this is turned off, you won't be able to see the activity status of the other accounts. So we are just turning it off in here. And yeah, this is how you can just turn off your activity status. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.